Well, it's pretty insane. This is a world where somebody can have over $100 billion. No, I think for Microsoft to be successful, even though we were the first, we had a broader concept of software than the other companies, we needed to be what I would call hardcore. And, in that case, the work is what I want to do. It's not like, oh God, I've got to earn a little bit more money. It's, this is the thing that throughout my childhood, I was so lucky, because of my parents and some early friends, school I went to, I had these exposures to computers that were very rare. Well, it's pretty insane. This is a world where somebody can have over $100 billion. I mean, what is that? And it's not, you don't want to just give that to children and create some dynasty. That's not even a favor to them. You want to give that back. So these are unprecedented fortunes. And if you're a great innovator and you know how to gather scientists together and think about problems, then there's some government is risk averse, and particularly poor countries don't have that capacity to think about eradicating malaria or solving malnutrition. There is something that philanthropy can have these outsized results in terms of lives saved, almost like, a great startup does on the side of innovation. So getting those minds to turn those capacities to equity to the poorest, both inside the U.S. and outside the U.S., I feel that, we've got the golden rule. We're supposed to care about people. There are times when it feels like sympathy for poor people outside the country is lower today than it's been, but I know that'll come back around because of the moral logic there. I think I believe is very, very strong, and I found it so fulfilling. I created a group called Giving Pledge of people who've committed to give the majority of their wealth away. And we learn from each other. Hopefully we inspire each other, and hopefully we change the societal expectations that if you have even a modest fortune, most of it should combine with your talents and make the world a bit more of a fair place.